Mr. Ben here, and welcome to Tinker Tuesday. Today we are making instant pudding Play-Doh. It only takes 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients is instant pudding. We have some vanilla right here, cornstarch, and water. Optionally, if you want to add coloring to your Play-Doh, you can add some food coloring. I'm going to use green. So, for measurements, let's go over the measurements. First, we need 1/4 cup of instant pudding mix, 1 whole cup of cornstarch, and 1/3 cup of warm to hot water. I warmed this water up a little bit. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add our pudding first. So we're going to measure out 1/4 cup instant pudding. And it goes. And then we only want to do half of our cornstarch first. We don't want to put it all in at once. So we start off with 1/2 a cup of cornstarch, and then we'll measure out a second half to add in as we go along. 1/2 of cornstarch. I'm going to get this ready to set to the side. And then, now if you want to add food coloring, now's the time. So we're going to just put about, 6 to 8 drops of food coloring. Make sure you're wearing just a normal t-shirt because it gets a little messy. I'm telling you all of this right now. And last, we're going to add our water. And we are going to start stirring. And it's going to turn sticky at first. It looks real sticky and real thick. So it's too wet right now to officially be Play-Doh. So we're going to add just a little bit at a time. Because it's hard to know exactly. You may need a full cup, you may not. So we start off with a 1/2 cup. And then we slowly add more. Just making sure to use your spoon to smash in the cornstarch as best you can. Because it will start to clump at about this point. Where we're at so far, it's looking kind of dry, but still a little wet. I think we're going to add the last little bit of cornstarch we have left. And it just takes a lot of patience. You just got to knead it. At some point, it's going to start feeling like you can't do much more with your spoon. So we're just going to set our spoon aside. And now we got to get our hands messy. And we're just going to get on in there. And you just have to start kneading it. Trying to get all the dough in there that we can. You might have leftover cornstarch, but that's okay. And this is really our final step. And you just got to knead it and knead it and knead it. Probably about 2 to 3 minutes. Until it just feels all the way mixed. Tips I have for this, because I've made this recipe before and it's failed. I've made it before and it's been a huge success. What I've really noticed is you should follow these measurements precisely. Make them in small batches. I've tried to make 2 or 3 times the amount at a time whenever I'm having toddler times or anything like that, and I'm trying to make some taste-safe Play-Doh, and it doesn't work. So I really recommend just sticking with the measurements we gave you. So if you want to do more than one color, make them separately. Don't try to skip ahead. All right, this is coming along pretty good. It's starting to take on Play-Doh consistency. And what's nice about this Play-Doh is that, one, it smells amazing. Because it's pudding, and this smells like vanilla. So there adds smell to kids play. Two, obviously it's taste safe because it's just Jello. I mean, it's pudding and cornstarch, but the cornstarch makes it not taste great. So you kids won't really want to gobble this up, and they shouldn't. But if they do, it's okay. And for any kiddos doing this at home, it's just fun to play with. There we go. Homemade Play-Doh, made in under 5 minutes with just instant pudding, cornstarch, and some warm water. You can make a few different colors like this and start playing around. That's it. Have a good one. Bye.